Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, we're going to learn how to easily insert a PDF file directly into your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This is a super handy trick for keeping all your related documents in one place. First, navigate to the Insert tab in your Excel ribbon. If you can't immediately spot the object icon, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type Insert Object and select it from the results. Once the Objects dialog box appears, you'll see two tabs, Create New and Create from File. Make sure to select Create from File. Now click on the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location where your PDF file is saved, select it and click Insert. Back in the Object dialog, tick the Display as Icon checkbox. This makes your PDF appear as a clickable icon rather than embedding the entire document's content directly. You can also click Change Icon if you want to select a different visual representation for your PDF file. Once you're happy with the icon, click OK. Your PDF file will now be inserted into your Excel sheet as an icon. You can drag and drop this icon anywhere on your spreadsheet to position it. To open the PDF, simply double-click on the icon. Excel will prompt you with a security warning. Click Open to view your PDF document. The PDF will then open in your default PDF viewer, as you can see here. You can scroll through the document and close it when you're done. And that's how you insert a PDF file into Excel. It's a straightforward process that can really streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips.